get more active, drink plenty of water, eat high fiber food, read food labels, use a smaller plate, don't ban foods, don't stock junk food, cut down on alcohol, and plan your meals. So here are 12 points. You can choose simply one or two or 3 points from here, or 4 points from here, which you will be going to use in your short. Like, uh, first of all, what you will do, you will search for videos about weight loss. Like, we are searching videos about weight loss. Here are a lot of free videos. There are some videos which are only related to premium, but there are some free videos. Like, you can use this video, you can use this video as a free video. Like, we want to use this video here, so we have clicked simply here. This video is here. It's about you can see it's about 9-second video. Simply what you will do, you will adjust its size like this, or whatever you want to do, and then you just need to add text from here. You just need to add text, so simply go to text, and here are some free texts. Like, we are choosing this one, so simply you can drag up here, and you can reduce its size. Actually, I'm using it on tablet. If you are using it on mobile phone, in your, like, on your desktop, it will be much more easy. Simply what you will do here, like, you are writing here, and you are writing here, want to lose weight. Okay, simply you can adjust its size. You can simply adjust its size. Like, if you want to make it small, we can do it by clicking here. You can simply adjust it over here, or simply you can drag the video up to here. Okay, you can adjust the position anywhere you want to put on that. And after that, simply what you will do, simply click here, and you can add another page. So what you will do, like, here are 12 tips. Like, you want to put, don't skip breakfast. So what you will do, you will simply search some video about breakfast. You will search here breakfast, breakfast. Here are a lot of videos. You can choose any of them. Like simply like we are choosing this one, so it's here. It's done. So you can add text from here. So simply we are using this one. Don't skip breakfast. You can decrease its size by simply clicking here. Like okay, fine. You can decrease the length of this video from here, and simply you can also decrease the length of this video from here. Okay, say like this, and then you will add some more page, and in the last page what you will do, you will put the product description which you want to, like you have put 3 or 4 points, and at the end of this video you will put the details of your product which you have copied from your affiliate link, and you will put your affiliate link in the description. So simply what you will do here, we will simply download, click on the download button, and we are downloading its 2 pages. And you can simply download this video from here. Like I'm say continuing with email, simply as what you all need here, you can download video like this. When your video will be downloaded, you will upload that video in your shorts, and after that uh, you will put the link of affiliate link in your description. So when someone will click on that, and that will buy some product from that affiliate link, you will be get paid. In my next video I will discuss about how to use those affiliate link. I will give some example of that link. So keep watching my channel, and click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so you will get notification when any of my new video will be uploaded. Thank you. See you next time with new video.